Ngiyadlala ngiku-matric dance. Angiku-matric dance, no. When was the last time you saw Babala M? When's the evening? Hey, I forgot. I think September. I forgot. Shape. Guys, ngiporekile. Like ngiwani. Guys, oh. You know, life is so unfair. I don't understand. Like, guys, I don't know. Maybe it's because I don't have a father. Maybe if beng no baba ngabe angporekanga manje. You know, like if beng no baba ngabe maybe, you know, angisimi lover girl ngibhizi ngifunana nothando kulabafana laba. Like, I don't understand. Maybe it's because I don't have a father. I don't know. Maybe if bengilazi uthando luka baba, maybe bengingporeki kanje right now because ngiphorekile. But anyways, I don't need him. And my mother, my mother, you know, plays every role. He's my mother, he's my father, she's my mother, she's my father, she's my grandmother, she's my grandfather, she's like by everything. Do you understand? I love you too, my love. Why don't you have a YouTube channel? I don't know. Mang cabanga ukuthi ne. Now I have to put my phone. I can't. And I can't entertain people. Okay, yes, insinya invite abantu. Is my mother. Ngenzi mistake now ubonile lapha manisa. Duh. Ngenzi mistake. You're such a pretty hug. Thank you. Speaks Portuguese. I can't. When we visit open chat, guys. You know me, I don't like drama. Oh, anything that revolves around drama. I'm okay. I'm alright. Guys, let me expose someone. You know, lo mntana lo ucabanga ukuthi ne. Lo mntana lo angazi noma ucabanga ukuthi eyamne yakhe kapheli. Ngizombamba. You know, ngizombamba noma ngabaleka azama ukuzenza ngizombamba. Eyamne yakhe kapheli. For the facts yokuthi usaphefumula, nami ngisaphefumula, so yithi usaphefumula. Eyamne yakhe ayakapheli. Noma angahamba ahambe aloka khuluma angazi adlala victim. Aloka azidlalisa victim kubantu. Guys, please don't screen record me. Like sizoxabana blind. Nizongenza ukuthi ngingasayi kuma live. I swear nizenza ukuthi ngingasayenza. Anyways, lo muntu lo uzitshela ukuthi angazi uloko ungikhuluma kabi kwabantu ne. Udlala uwenza ngathi victim. Ngizombamba. Eyamne yakhe ayikakapheli. Ayikakapheli. Ngizombamba. And then uyazi ukuthi ngizombamba. So ayeke uloke ukukhuluma in nonsense ngigama lami kwabantu azenza ngathi yena uyivictim. Cause yinto engikwatisa wes ukuthi yena uyangisukela like bese uyahamba ulokutshela abantu ukuthi mina what hey yinto engenza ukuthi yo yeah into engenza ukuthi you know engibilisa wes lento leyo angithandi drama angithandi ukusukela abantu mara do you smoke? No, I don't smoke. Smoke in. Like no. Uban it's fine. It's fine. Noma ngingamazi it's fine mara mina neyakhe. Ayakaphili. Before nje Christmas. Ngifuna mina naye sike sihlangane sike sixoxe kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. So why are you not going to podcast? No, guys, I don't like, podcast or something. No, I don't like. I need the drama, you guys. I'm a peaceful person. I stay in my corner. Yeah. I don't do podcasts. Kanti uhlala kuvela ngihlale Soweto my love. Bathini Masumbambile uye usitshele ukuthi kwenzakaleni awungaba eyamneyakhe though ayekapheli noma ngayenzani mara eyamneyakhe ayekapheli mina mina ne hiwo okay mina amagaji ngiyawabamba amagaji and sisazohlangana mina la one day I kid you not before Christmas sizohlangana ngifuna asho zonke lezi zinto lezi ahamba azitshela abantu and angifuni ukuthi kube nabantu abaningi ini ngifuna sibe soyi-2 angitshele kahle ukuthi lezi zinto lezi aloku azikhuluma ebantwini ngami azishula kimi angitshele zona ngifuna ukubona ukuthi unesibindi singakanani so kusho zonke lezi zinto lezi ahamba azitshela abantu azenza victim kwabantu ukuthi uzozishona la kimi guys don't worry ukuthi ngikhuluma ngobani no yafana nimazi nokumazi ngawari ukuthi ngikhuluma ngobani it's fine man lama kills man guys man man lisawara ben lisawara guys nayithanda drama ne no like nayithanda drama nayithanda imbi guys nayithanda imbi shem no mina angizenzi lezi zinto zama podcast ngiloko ngiyokhuluma kuma podcast like angizenzi shem lezi zinto zama podcast ngiloko ngiyokhuluma kuma podcast ukuthi what ini lezi zinto zama podcast no angizenzi nope guys ngiyadlala mane I'm sure sebang screen recordile abomandaba sebayoposta manje anazi nokuthi ngikhuluma ngobani into ebuhlungileyo anazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngobani but like anyways yeah Yelele babo sizo batepelo mami nana isohlangana and angifuni ukuthi kube naba ngifuna kube yimi naye 2 men say 2 yangithola no because like sometimes people take your kindness for granted and then they think ukuthi bazogibela ekhanda because you're someone who, who's always quiet, like awuthanda ukukhuluma kakhulu, and then people think that, bazogibela ekhanda. But sometimes you have to remind them, but you know what, I may be quiet, but le ukuthi uzongigibela ekhanda, that I will not take. You understand? Yeah. Mina, I know her, the girl from the podcast. Hey guys, ukhuluma ngeyiphi podcast when you guys don't even know that person. You guys don't even know that person. That person is not even famous. Agaze aya nakuma podcast. Agaze aya. You don't know that person. I'm a podcast one. No, I'm not talking ngabantu abakuma podcast. Podcast and manje. Hayi guys, I don't even know the people on the podcast, dude. That person, you guys don't even know that person. You guys don't even, that person. Futsi, he's a he. She, like, Aksu Ntombazane. Umfana. The person that I'm talking about is a boy. The person that I'm talking about is a boy. And, yeah, it's someone that I was dating. So, yeah, that's the person that I'm talking about. Not, I don't entertain girl dramas or something. Yamazi ubani? Isho igama lakhe. If unesibindi lisho igama lakhe. Libhale la. Libhale la. Igama lakhe. And igama lakhe liqala ngo. Let me tell you. But libhale la if uzemile. Hey, usacabanga amanye amanga. Okay, girl. Alright, girl. Amanga. Wow, my girl. Ngiyasola wangilahla icoke yami. Guys, kwenzakalani kahle kahle? Angi-understand nenzani la kule live. Nikhuluma ngobani? Nikhuluma ngabantu bakuma-podcast. Nimention abantu. Like, kwenzakalani? I don't understand. Are you dating Lesego? Oh. Are you dating Lesego CVK? No. CVK is my homeboy. Umngani wami CVK. Angazi ukuthi leni ukuthi ngijola no CVK ni thatha. I'm Xhosa. But anyway, Pastor Ndofa. Hey guys. Abo Pastor Ndofa yabani man? Man guys, nizongixabanisa nabantu guys. Because umuntu engikhuluma ngaye animazi maybe ngamenza abe famous nyana, like qale drama because mina angikahili mina angeke because angeke shem like cause i-chaos empilweni yami bese like ucanga ukuthi hey not under my watch. Leyo ingize ngivumele. That I will never allow. I will not suffer alone. Kumele sisafarishe soyi-two. Ngithole nge-rights. Ngine-peace empilweni yami. Bese yabona noma ngathiwa ukuthi what I don't care. Like I don't care. Yabona guys, you know what? I'm gonna start crying. Let me just keep quiet and let me not talk about it actually. Because I'm gonna start crying. I'm not vibing now. Now I want to cry. Like guys, this song is stuck on my head. Okay, sing a hammer manch. Thank you guys for joining thank you for joining my live, Ngiyanithanda nonke emakhaya. Ngiyanithanda. Izwile album kaMdibana angikayimamile yazi and I feel bad. But either alright guys. Bye guys,